In this video, I am going to show you how to make money online with CPA marketing. You can use this strategy to promote CPA offers or content lockers. And without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. So the first thing you want to do, you want to come to this website called goodreads.com/quotes. All right, so once you come onto this website, you are going to be taking quotes from this section of this website. As you can see here, there are a lot of quotes here that has been put into different categories. So what you are going to be doing now, you are going to be using a very unique strategy to drive traffic to your content lockers for absolutely free. Okay, so now once you come onto this website, so you want to choose a niche amongst one of these categories right here. All right, so once you've chosen a category, then the next thing you want to do is you want to head over to Imgur. So for the demonstration of how this works, I am going to be going with this relationship niche as an example. Okay, so I'm going to click on relationship quotes. So the next thing you are going to do, you want to hop onto Imgur. And no, you are not going to be posting anything on Imgur. You are not going to be doing any form of commenting or anything on Imgur. We are going to be doing only one thing on Imgur, which is taking content. Once you come onto Imgur, you want to type in whatever niche you chose. You want to type in here. So for instance, let's click on this hashtags which says relationship. So once you click on that, you are going to see a lot of posts that are currently trending on Imgur with this hashtag. All right, and also you can sort it by popularity, by newest, and by best. Okay, so now you can see there are a lot of posts that you can choose here. Let me take this one as an example. As I can see right here, it has a lot of engagement, a lot of comments, and it has a lot of views on it. So I am just going to click on it. So once you click on it, the next thing you want to do is to download this footage. So you want to click on this option right here and click on download. So once you click on that, you can see here it downloaded instantly. So the next thing you want to do from here, you want to go to Facebook. So you want to click on the niche right here. So as you can see, Facebook is also going to suggest other Facebook groups that you can join. As you can see, there are a lot of Facebook groups in any given niche out there. You are going to join these groups, and like I always say, we are not going to spam our links in here. Rather, we are going to provide value to the people in this group, and in turn they go on to our CPA content locker, and once they complete the offer, we get paid and they get the content. So I am just going to be taking this content as an example, and as you can, if you see here, if you come to the about section of this landing page, you can see here it says the obsession method is supported by providing business with short market research offers. In return, you receive your file download. So basically what it means is once anybody comes onto this page and click on download right here, a content locker is going to pop up for them to complete a CPA offer, just like this one right here. So if this person clicks on this free and they complete this offer, they get access to this content and you make money. And also this is a CPA lead content locker. All right, you can do this same exact strategy with cpagrip. You can also create a content locker on cpagrip if you prefer. But if you are going to be using cpagrip, you don't want to promote the direct link. You want to create a landing page for your cpagrip locker. With that out of the way, the next thing you are going to do now, once you are in the Facebook group, if you remember, I mentioned this website in the beginning of this video. So what we are going to be doing with this website, as you can see, this quote has a lot of likes on them. You can see this one has over 19,000 likes on it. This one has over 12,000 likes on it. As you can see here, a lot of people like these quotes, which means if we post something similar on a Facebook group like this, they are also going to like it as well, since it's in the same niche. All right, so as you can see here, this is a post made less than an hour ago. As you can see, it has a lot of engagement on it already and people have started commenting. You can see here. So the next thing you want to do now, once you join the Facebook group, you want to click on write something, and then you want to basically grab these quotes. It's very easy. All right, you want to copy everything. So once you copy this quote, you paste it in there. All right, the next thing you want to do is you want to click on this file. We want to grab the video we downloaded from Imgur. So let's upload the video. As you can see, this is the video right here. So basically, once you click on post this video, the video is going to be posted in the Facebook group. And once people start engaging with the post, just like you saw right here, as you can see here, I just posted the video and it has already been approved in the group. So you can see everything that I show on this channel works as long as you are willing to follow the strategy. Okay, you are definitely going to get results. So once people start commenting on your post and you are getting a lot of engagement, you want to send them to your CPA offer, which means you will leave a comment, you will leave a link to this CPA offer in the comment of that post. And I repeat, the post must get engagement before you decide to promote your content locker. So basically, it's a very unique and very simple method. All you need to do is grab a done for you quote here and grab a nice footage or image from Imgur, post it on Facebook, and once you get engagement, you send your traffic to the CPA offer or content locker that you wish to promote. And like I said, this is how you do it and start getting free traffic to your CPA offers, especially for those that are just starting out who don't have thousands of dollars to invest in paid ads. This is one of the easiest way that you can start using from today to get traffic to your CPA offers for absolutely free. As long as you are willing to put in the time, the work into it, definitely you will get results. All right, so like I said, if you want to do this exact strategy with any other CPA network, you want to make sure you create a landing page for the content locker. All right, so I'm talking about if you want to use cpagrip, for example, you want to, after creating your content locker, you want to also create a landing page for it. And there are also a lot of free landing page builder that you can use to create landing pages within a few minutes. All right, so that brings us to the end of this video. And if you find any useful information in this video, please leave a like on this video. And if you have any question at all, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.